It appears there is an accident of some sort up ahead. We shall see what it is when we get there. Vlog, what go on? I have on the cap. I'm having an earring. So I might be going on the road. For the past couple of days, my body has just been telling me that, yo, make some pineapple and cucumber and mango juice. So I try to go to the market and grab them things there. There might be a few other little things we need to get. That's the move. Currently, I'm going to upload a video or set. Hold on, wait a minute. No, I'm did. So I just upload 2 videos we're going to drop today. Another vlog I got drop, which was the vlog from yesterday about the how I do voiceovers. That video, it has been less than 24 hours, and that video, which is on my Instagram page, you can go check it out if you want to see the video I'm talking about, or if you watch the vlog before, then you know the video. It got over 60,000 views. That's pretty decent, man. It's pretty decent. I hope people appreciate it, like for see like the behind the scenes. Even yesterday, somebody commented on the video and said like, how me do them thing there. When I post the video yet, for tell themselves to go check out the vlog, and the vlog probably I go live in like 2 minutes. Upload the thumbnail for these K2K shots, the reaction type business. Even though I'm soon, you know what I mean? But through the shots, them is a different channel. You can go on to them thing. But the long one, them, I don't know how I go on for that. The dirt know what is going on for that. So them I go upload same time today too. But that it gonna be yesterday for Uno. Now I go up on the road, get them ingredients there, and just come back home. Not much I really there to do. But as I'm going on the road, carry on with me, you know? Yeah. So my front right tire ball. I stop at the ATM to get the money. Front right tire. It has been going, you know. You see for a longer while, say that. The treading, I go down, you know what I mean? So who want buy me a front right tire? I know that. Like where I live, it not even make no sense me. Carry the car, go a car wash. Cause it does. I live right in front of one dust storm. Anytime breeze blow, rainfall, breeze blow, and the place dry again, pure dust me have to deal with. When I can see it, when I can see it, but like, be like a dust and them things there. The ATM machine you want to fix and sort out the right way. The screen I take forever to pop up. Somebody at NCB, you know, come check it out. What the number be? Up on it. I'm telling you ATM number. ATM number 375. Looking on the system and see where that there and come sort it out. Yeah?
Send.
Or the card.
Alright. So you have 6 and 2 and 8.
Right.
The other one is?
No, I never want. You get a little fast food, but cashier I take forever. Okay, but see the menu, like what the menu there in them place? Yeah? Menu TV them they turn off, isn't it? Get some of the burgers of Kings. Oh shit. Like me keep on forgetting say coronavirus is still a thing. Because it kinda just fade out. There's a cases I pick up back and them something there. But cheap place seems so free and you can run around without your mask and them things. And I say, oh, everybody jiggy again. And the funny thing is I don't have, well I did use some from them other people. Hopefully it's strong enough to kind of, you know, keep my hands clean. I am tempted right now to dip in my fries back. I don't know that's a rite of passage, you know. When you get the fries, you have to dip in it and take out a couple of them. But I can't do that. I've waited till I go home. By the time I reach home, I go friggin' cool, brother. I see them have something I want to try. It's a plant-based Whopper. So next time I come back to side, I go do that for the vlog. More time, I have to wonder if people have sense, you know. And bus broke down on the road, right? And before somebody come out and direct traffic and say, yo, you know, got away there. Man not even put on him 4-way flash off to make people know say, oh, something wrong with the vehicle. Hey, I don't know somehow not getting a license from me now. Because even if you buy a license, that means that you're supposed to dunce and not no sense. And certain little common sense things you not do it. You wanna come off the road and go here, man. Go ahead. And it's a red plate bus too. One tourist. Jeez, man. People fool you frig. I don't know about that song, eh? I know that the sun will come out tomorrow. But still, bring me only joy. It appears there is an accident of some sort up ahead. We shall see what it is when we get there. And they do say that this is a crash hotspot. The sign they write down there, so you see them people that will love use the soft shoulder like it's a friggin' part of the road where if you drive on full speed. Straight up nonsense, man. Look like nobody get hurt, but this look like speeding and a case of, what do you call this now? Overtaking in the wrong place. Camera, what a nice if you focus, you know. So that's what's going on right there, you know what I'm saying? That's what's up. But my camera won't focus for some goddamn reason. I don't think nobody's hurt. But got a tear up on them thing. Yeah, buddy. Give thanks. No look like nobody get hurt. I just carry them alone, mash up. Insurance will fix that. I don't know why I'm still doing the camera, so I think I'll try to save it off focus. But yeah, we're home and I'm having the BK sandwich. First of all, let's talk about the prices on these things. I think from the year start, I first met BK, and the last time I remember going there, which was last year, the prices were, you know, it was triple digits. But now I'm seeing some 4 digits, you know, 1130, 1260. What is going on these price charts? Listen, the people that we are fight are in a war. I don't understand why them things need to affect people when they have nothing to do with what they do, you know. If we're not fighting, we just fight over this, brother. If we fight, break out in a classroom when they're at school, dog. When you go down at the canteen, the price them for the food not change. So I go on there, so we not nothing to do with them fighting. If we not fighting, we just fight and left people when not nothing to do with the foolishness. And the accident one just, you can bet say it's just nonsense. As many say, probably overtaking, speeding. You are race to go somewhere. You are overtake. You get on a sense. And if you crash, guess what? You're not gonna make it to your destination. So was it worth it? You know, so driving is a stressful thing, especially on Jamaican roads, because you have to think for yourself, and you also have to think for the idiots who don't care. Because enough time I see man just overtaking you, and they might depend on the other driver who is in the right of way for come out that way for save their life. Una dumbasses where drive on the road and cause people where drive sensibly to lose their life. If there's not an emergency in your vehicle, meaning say one baby mother in there, but we have baby, somebody in there want medical attention, why not drive stuff up on the road them? We don't have no patience, and as soon as you see one little lane open, we don't assess the situation to see if it's safe to overtake. Because you're so goddamn impatient, you just swing out in the road, full speed ahead, and I hope to squeeze in back by somebody and push even people when they're not lane off the road, so you can piss me off. But the people who never know about them style, like you can sharpen your knife with scissors. You have to just have sense and know how to do it. I don't know if you explain it, but then you just feel when you get in this little groove and it starts to feel like there's some resistance. But this is if you have a file in your yard, you know? You can use the scissors. Sharpen your knife. I am peeling my pineapple. I think if I should put the skin in there, but I think last time I did make pineapple juice and put the skin in them, I never like it. We going up for the niggas who can't be around today. You hear me singing voice? Bust it off a while ago. You like it? That's cool, man. That's cool, man. Well, if I talent you have when they even know about it. Yeah? When they even know about it. I plug off the pine head, I feel like I go put it in some water, get sprout some roots, and plant it back. Instead of the cucumber, we end up get melon, because I think that was in my head initially. Say a melon I go use. I don't know where cucumber come from, maybe because the two of them is like a water fruit type thing. So I use the melon, but they tell you the mango not true. So see mango here. So I chop up this, then circle back. People may eat that, you know? You know, so I there, so I talk to the camera how long a while ago and never did I go on. So we have all our fruits diced up, and we got a piece of ginger. Ginger! We got the mangoes, watermelon, pineapples. Pineapple for your penis. Go look that up. Go look it up. I tell you. Then we have mango. I don't know what mango good for, but mango. And then I left the skin on it because I like how the mango skin get a like a flavor thing. But with the melon now, the like a white part of my left on, I read somewhere that it was basically natural Viagra. So I say, alright, left as much of it on there as possible. So them I say good for your schmeenish. I left in some of the melon seedlings in there because everything I just get blend up. Like I say, I'm in a really business, I just chop up and I can do my thing, you know. So it's time for blend up. I can blend them individually and then put them in the drug. Mix it. Use some light skin sugar upon it for sweeten it if necessary. White sugar I talk when I said move your blow out. When I say light skin sugar. Then I may have some lime water. Lime juice. The proportions. 1 mango. I don't know if you see the mango when I use. I don't know if you can like decipher the type of mango. The only mango I know is a common mango, brother. And green skin. And the big one is red. I don't know what I want the name again. Maybe a Julie mango. I don't know. The man tell me say a 2 pound of melon. See? I'm going to bust it in half. So this is a 1 pound of melon. The brother tell me say 3 pound of pineapple. And then I bust it in half. So 1.5 pound of pineapple. A piece of ginger. See my thumb here? And put it up in front of it. But that the amount they are, maybe even less. I don't know how much lime juice I'm going to put in there yet, but we find that out. She's on fire. And all I need is ask my Lord to keep me clear from the devil. Cause my girl, she's on fire. I'm see how much liters of water I'm going to put on that. 0.75 liters of water. Blend up this. I don't know how long, as soon as it turns liquid. Liquid is here. This look like it's thicky, you know. People I put my ginger finger in my eye a while ago. That go with me. I feel like I want to put some more water on it. Just because the mango just make it thicky. I'm not going to really use a lot of water with the rest of things. Then. Put some more water on this. That's about 1 liter of water. I put in the now. Boom. I will go for boom and blend it again. And then blend. Alright, coof, calf, queth with the rifle. It's too big to even license. Alright, cool. So we're gonna pour this off and make it go on some thicky around there, isn't it? Make it go on slowly drain off while we put the other thing in the blender, you know. I'm gonna stick to your plan, you understand? Yeah, man, I stick to your plan. Don't beat me in my head if you stop water, it's all I got. So that's the pineapple in there right now. Look kinda creamy like vanilla. You see, because I'm not gonna use a whole heap of water on the melon. Because melon, you don't know, so I basically water that thing so that it fly through the strainer faster and it get out as much juice as possible. Coof. I hate that. You see that? This is what is left. I don't know if the camera is focusing, but anyways, so I'm just gonna scrape that. I think most of this are the skin. So you see, you don't have to worry about the skin of the mango. You know, really, well, my strainer, you know, really go through it. You understand? Yeah, you know, go through it. So I'm jigging. That's a style I know. Alright, so we'll put back this over here, so just pour this off. Hey man, that'll fly through the strainer easy. Fly. No, not now, nigga. Alright, you go dead. You go dead. We're back. I hate flies, alright? Just know that. Me and them are a friend. Boom, boom, boom. As a god that I go in there. Me not hide from it, I go in there. And worse like how I want to piece them with piece of white panic. No, brother, this I wash off and go in there, you're mad. It's a joke, you make. Eh? So what no one say I'm here drinking. So what no one say is me. Yo, fly. You know so no brother? Just murder one. Don't make me murder next one, see? I put a little bit of water on this now. Just a little bit. Cause that's a watermelon, you understand? I need no whole heap of water. Don't forget it. See that ginger gone in. Boom. If you need more water, then you can add that. 1 tablespoon of lime juice. And we go for liquefaction. It come all the way up to where it was supposed to be. Now looking at it, I say something ticky. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you've seen it well. Yeah, you see that? Look kind of like sunset. Sunset and them thing there. As I said, I eat another blend right now for just mix up everything. I feel it coming. I feel it coming, baby. I feel it coming. This is the finito. This is the finished product. Of course, it's not sweetened yet. I can sweeten it like when I'm done. I just need to clean up because the goddamn fly make thing drop a grung, splash all about. So I'm just go clean up now. But this is it. Look like we use the right proportions of water because go over. I could have still used a little bit more. And if after I sweeten it with the sugar, if it's too sweet, then I will just put some water on it and my jiggy, and this I can be my drink for the next couple of days. That's my tethy. Now I get the ginger scent. But I'm going to see if we can taste it. You can taste it, but it's not as harsh as I thought it was good. Even though I want to taste it a little bit more, but it's good where it is. It's not really bad, in terms of like this can drink as it is. If you're somebody who don't like your drink sweet and don't want to put no artificial sweetener in there, then you can drink it like this. Yeah, it's good, but me I got sweet mine. Do with yours what you will. Look at more vlog, yeah? Big up on yourself.